How to deposit money on crypto.com. Now, if you want to deposit fiat currency, which means the real money on crypto.com, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the crypto.com app and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed into your account, this is the type of interface that you will see, where you just have to tap on the transfer option that you can see on the home page. So tap on the transfer option right there. It will ask you to deposit or withdraw, and since we're just trying to learn to deposit, we will go to the option called deposit, and you can select fiat because we are trying to deposit real funds, which means real money, to account. So once you select fiat currency, you should be able to fill out other information such as the payment details and so on, and you'll be able to deposit or add money to crypto.com. So I hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down, and also make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. As always, thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.